So Calendly is a program we use to set up appointments with your patients. So I'll have you sign up right now. So enter email, your WithHealth email. You're gonna need to sign up, not log in. Okay, please use your WithHealth email. Okay, and keep in mind your WithHealth email is a Google account. Yes, go and select that. Okay, perfect. Make sure you have the correct time zone and then click continue. Go ahead and click continue. And from right here, I want you to unclick all of those blue checks, please. Now, keep in mind the assistant managers, which is me, Joanne Calendly, Shauna Blackman-Myers, and Mark Estock. We will set your availability and make sure that your patients can make appointments. I'll explain later what Calendly means to you. So go ahead and click continue. Okay, click on education. Okay. All right, just go ahead and click out that getting started guide. Click that out there. Then I want you to go ahead and erase the 15-minute appointment by hitting the gear on the right side. Click delete and do the exact same thing to the 60-minute meeting. Okay, what I'd like for you to do right now is integrate your Zoom account. So right where at the top right-hand side where it says home and your first initial J, click on integrations. And scroll down and click on Zoom. You'll need to integrate your Zoom to Calendly. Connect to Zoom. Authorize. Go ahead and click authorize. Scroll down and click on go to events. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to have you manually do this, but give me one moment. Okay, what I'd like for you to do right now is go ahead and click on the gear shift where it says 30-minute meeting, that little settings gear, and then click edit. Click where it says what event this is, and where it says descriptions and instructions, go ahead and paste the paragraph that I emailed you. Very good. All right, where it says location, go ahead and click on that, and I want you to select Zoom. Perfect. And where it says 30-minute meeting, I need you to type a new title on there, please. So what you're going to do is type COVID, and COVID is all capitalized, please. And then capital S, serology, COVID serology, and nasal swab.
All caps?
No, serology is, yeah. Just like how you would any title, nasal, capital N, nasal, capital N. Perfect. Okay. So go ahead and scroll down, please. And then go ahead and select a color that you want for this to show up on your Google Calendar. So if you see blue, then you know like, oh, okay, those are all my appointments or all my patients. You know, you can coordinate a color. So select any color. Once you do, go ahead and click on Save and Close. Very good. Now, what I'd like for you to do is click on when can people book this event? Click on that. Okay. Where it says date range, edit, click on that. And where it says 60, I want you to erase it, but the number 5. Okay, click apply. Very good. Okay, make sure your time zone is correct. Okay, scroll down. I want you to click on the word advanced. Okay, scroll down, please. Right where it says minimum schedule notice and it says 4 hours away, go to erase the 4 and just put the number 0. Perfect. Scroll down and click save. Perfect. Okay. Know that everything else we will take care of. When I say we, the assistant managers will take care of everything. We just need you to initially set up Calendly for us and we'll take care of everything else from our end. Okay. Now, what I do want you to know, and I'll show this to you.